There are two kinds of high-level founders in the market today: the frantic creator and the quiet architect. The creator is trapped in the never-ending content treadmill, trading their expertise for daily performance. Look at the cost of this hustle. It's 2 a.m., and you are still trading energy for visibility, illuminated only by a phone screen. The content treadmill is a slow death for seven-figure expertise. You were told that freedom meant endless visibility, but this promise was a lie. The advice was always: post more helpful tips, do more green screen reels, shout into the void of low signal noise. Instead of freedom, you created a new job. You became the bottleneck, constantly distributing, quote, freebies for low-quality leads. It's time to move past the noise and find the signal. Stop being the frantic creator. Contrast that panic with the quiet architect. They don't shout. They design. They don't distribute. They engineer. The transition from noise to signal is the ACES pipeline. It's not a course. It's a structural system. The architect builds a machine that works for them 24/7 without their daily intervention. They move their operations onto owned land, infrastructure they control, not rented algorithm space. This quiet lead machine filters, pre-sells, and converts prospects automatically, turning attention into loyal clients without you ever chasing them. The question is, how do you start building this architecture? Gurus sell $5,000 courses that just add more work to your plate. We sell a $1,200 diagnostic that removes the work. This is a surgical strike to identify the specific mechanism leaks in your current engine, guaranteeing absolute utility and a clear roadmap. Stop buying lottery tickets and start investing in the infrastructure of your success. The time for frantic creation is over. Initialize the stress test and secure your future architecture today. Stop shouting. Start engineering. Click the link to book your pipeline audit.